you down. Hey, everybody says you're the man, the final piece to my master plan. You got my world in the palm of your hand. Well, I know that you got it, come on and just sell it. Got the cash up in my pocket, you know I gotta get it. Hey, mister, won't you tell me your fake ID? There's a band in the bar that I'm dying to see. I got my money and you got what I need. Hey, mister, won't you tell me your fake ID?
Pavel, Alabama a krátký střídavek a malá motivace pro naše indiánské bojovníky.